This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stir fry Chinese veggies. So this is a simple way to cook your veggies and get lots of veggies. So let's get started. First, preheat your pan or wok at medium to high heat. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Make sure the oil coats the surface of your pan or wok. Now I'm going to add the ginger and garlic, which have chopped into small pieces. Now turn the heat on to high if you haven't already done so. Cooking at high heat will sear the veggies, which will give you the Wok Hei. The Wok Hei is a carbon sear flavor. So I like to use a carbon steel pan or a carbon steel wok to get the maximum Wok Hei. Fry your veggies to the desired tenderness. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, also known as regular soy sauce. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of my favorite sauce, which is the Chinese oyster sauce if you have it. And then put a pinch of salt just to sharpen the flavors. Make sure your veggies are dry when you start stir frying, so you get the nice sear. So you can use different kind of Chinese veggies for this kind of stir fry. So there you have it. Shanghai Bok Choy stir fry. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.